doing a hot lap of Goodwood circuit with the Renault 5 3 Turbo, 555 horsepower from 2 inline rear motors. Now, my driver here, Arthur, he races began, so he can pedal a bit. Of course, this car is all about agility in the corner and drifting. This is an electro-hydraulic handbrake with 3 different levels of drift mode. Can't play with that today, but we can feel the power and the speed of this car. There we go. It weighs only 450 kilograms, so you'll do 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds. Top speed 270 kilometers an hour. Now they're building 1,980, of course that refers to 1980 and the legendary Renault 5 Turbo from the 80s. 100 are already making their way or been ordered for the UK. 1,000 have been sold altogether. How much is it? 140,000 English pounds. But do you know what? It's road legal. You're going to look the absolute muck's nuts driving this to the supermarket. Arthur, my friend,
Good?
that was good.
Perfect.
Can we do some donuts now?
No.
Not today. Next time.